Hi everyone. So in this video, we will be talking about Accenture hiring updates. Starting with some updates. Also, I will be answering the question from the comment section. Also, in this video, we will be talking about the trainings as well. Okay, because there are some confusions going around primers training. So I will be explaining the proper flow of the primers training as well. Let's start with the first thing. Okay, which I wanted to discuss. So many candidates from phase one actually got the workday mail. Okay. First of all, let's talk about the flow. After getting the workday mail, the next mail should be your document submission mail. Okay, document submission mail. Now the thing is, we divide these things into total two parts. The first one is phase one, and second one is phase two. Okay. Now the thing is, for phase two candidates currently, please be relaxed. Okay, please be relaxed because not all the candidates from phase one got this whole process. Okay, from phase one, most of the candidates who got the workday mail, now I think more than 50 to 60% candidates also got the BGV mail, okay, or document submission mail. But still, like 40% of candidates are left with the document verification mail or document submission mail, okay. So the number is not less because you can say roughly like half candidates got the document submission mail, half candidates are still pending to get the document mail from phase one. Okay, so for phase one candidates, many candidates are currently pending to get the document mail. Okay, now so I am just telling you to the phase two candidates, if you are worried about it, you need to actually wait little more. Okay, because first obviously the process of the phase one will be there. After that, the process of the phase two will be there. However, they started the process parallelly because phase two candidates are also getting the BGV mail. But the thing is, the I think the phase one candidates will be getting the mails now faster than phase two candidates. Okay. Also, if you are from a phase one candidate who got the workday mail and you are still waiting for the BGV mail, okay, I know maybe you guys were worried, but there are multiple factors which affect this. First one, the first one which is the most affecting factor is the location. Okay, location affects. Second thing, they will see your resume. They'll try like which kind of training you will be getting, or you will be getting the direct onboarding, because it is not like everyone will be getting the primers training. There are direct onboardings as well. Okay, so direct training direct training or primers. Okay, this is also one factor. After that, which HR you are getting. Now how the HR affects, okay, because for say for SAP there is a different HR, for Oracle there is a different HR, for cloud there is a different HR. So suppose you are from let's take an example. Suppose your preferred location is Mumbai. Okay, now from Mumbai candidates, suppose the cloud candidates got the mail first for BGV, because this mail will be triggered by the different HR of cloud domain. But maybe it is possible that maybe your HR will be from SAP or Oracle, so you will be getting mail little late because the whole process actually gets tackled by the different HRs. Okay, so it depends at which stream they will be assigning you, which stream you will be getting. You will be getting direct onboarding, you will be getting primers training, whatever it is. A lot of factors plus your location. So there are a lot of factors which will affect your onboarding. Okay, so don't worry, just wait patiently if you have not received any kind of mail like document verification till now. Okay, now see, the next thing is when you will get the workday mail, there is document verification. Okay, so now actually also many candidates got the document verification in which generally they need to upload their final mark sheet, like final certificate of the mark sheet, or if they have the work experience, they need to upload the work experience document. After that, the next step is offer letter, in which they are mentioning the salary package. Okay, and this will be the next step, or you can say a final step, because after that, there is a direct joining letter. Okay, so see now, workday, document verification, offer letter, joining letter, that's fine. Okay, now one thing comes in the middleware, which is primers training. Now many candidates who did not received the Accenture background verification also got the primers training. Why? Because see, this training definitely you need to complete if you are getting selected. So bhalai if you are not getting the background verification, because it depends upon HR that when the HR is doing your background verification or background verification mail completion, primer training is the mandatory part if you're getting this. Okay, so that thing obviously you will be getting if you will be getting the BGV mail or not, so it is separate from that. Okay, so many candidates who did not got the BGV also got the primer training, and some candidates who got the BGV they also got the primer training, and some candidates did not receive the primer trainings. As I said, there can be two conditions: either you will be getting the primers training late, or there will be a direct joining. Anything is possible. Now let's discuss about the primers training. Okay, so what is a primer training? So primers training is currently designed for 3 weeks. Okay, is currently designed for 3 weeks. In these 3 weeks, you will be having like multiple different kind of courses which you which you need to complete. Okay, which you need to complete. Okay, there will be some sessions also, doubt sessions also, Q&A. Okay, there will be some connects also with the experts. Okay, so there will be different things in the primers training. Okay, plus it can be divided, because currently I'm not sure, because that is for on campus. It can be divided into total two parts. The first one is mandatory or essentials, you can say. Second one is elective. Okay, and essential is basically the subjects which are common for all. Electives you will select, you will give they will give you 3 to 4 options. You need to decide like which essential you will take. Okay, in elective, sorry, in essentials there will be multiple topics like generative AI and all. Okay, generative AI will be there, some 3 to 4 topics will be or there. Okay, so for generative AI, I would suggest if you want to take like good knowledge of different AI tools, currently one free workshop is ongoing with Growth School. So if you want, you can attend it. Today also they are conducting the workshop. Okay, it is totally free, no charges involved. So you can enroll in the workshop. There will be no charges. You can learn 25 plus AI tools. Generative AI workshop is there, and you will be getting a lot of knowledge. So if you want, you can attend it. The link will be in the description. It is totally free. Okay, that is also a part of essential training. Okay, then after essential training, as I said, there will be elective subjects as well, like 3 to 4 selective subjects will be there, in which you will be deciding like which elective subject you want to take. Okay, so after that you will be reading the subjects. Okay, after that, after 3 weeks, there will be primers assessment. Okay, primers assessment, final assessment, because mock test and practice test in the training also you will be getting. Okay, but the final assessment of primers you will be getting. Okay, there is no mention that there will be some elimination or what. Okay, but see, this is mandatory and this is important. It affects a lot in the onboardings as well, so please make sure you are giving this seriously. So generally it's a 20 mark assessment. It's a 20 marks assessment, and generally either the score will be 60% or 70% that you will get. Okay, to pass this assessment. Okay, it's a MCQ based 20 marks assessment based on whatever the essentials you are selecting. Okay, whatever the electives you are selecting, like essentials are common for all, whatever the electives you are selecting. So generally in the electives there are different topics, like 3 to 4 options you will be getting. Essentials are common for all. Okay, after that generally a 12-week trainings start, and that 12-week training we call stream training, job readiness training, whatever you want to call job readiness. Okay, stream. So there will be some particular stream that will be allocated to you. For example, suppose you get AWS. Okay, so there will be a complete training on AWS with lot of practice sets, practice test, lot of sessions. There will be live sessions, doubt sessions, recorded videos. Okay, and they will be like very big comprehensive trainings, stream trainings. Okay, and there will be a assessment after 12 weeks which is called competency assessment. Okay, and generally what I have heard is this assessment is very important. You generally get 3 to 4 attempts for this assessment. They will not tell you this in beginning, but generally they give 3 to 4 attempts, and it is important, I would suggest, to clear it either in one or two go. Otherwise your joinings can be very delayed. Plus, in the 3 to 4 attempts, if you are not clearing it, they do not have much projects at that time, they can eliminate you as well. It is a very very important assessment after the competency trainings. So this one is very very important, and suppose if you will complete this, you will clear this, then the onboarding will happen. This is the process, okay, related to the primers and competency training. And suppose if there is some requirement in particular project, there can be a direct joining as well. No trainings, direct joining. It depends. Okay, so I hope you got all the information which you wanted. Thank you so much for watching.